Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ChargePoint for home charger commissioning. Complete guide step by step clearly. To register with ChargePoint for home charger commissioning, begin by visiting the ChargePoint website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on this button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a page to enter your email address. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password that meets the site's requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a verification link from ChargePoint. Open the email and click on the link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the ChargePoint website to log in. Enter your registered email address and password to access your account. After logging in, navigate to the Home Charger section. Select Add Charger to begin the commissioning process. You will be prompted to enter details about your home charger. Provide the model number and serial number of your charger. Input any additional required information about the installation location. Next, review your charger's details to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to register your charger. You may receive a confirmation message indicating successful registration. Follow any additional prompts to complete setup. Now, download the ChargePoint app if you haven't already. Open the app and log in using your registered credentials. In the app, you will find options for managing your charger. Make sure to connect your charger to your home Wi-Fi network. Follow the prompts in the app to connect your charger online. After successful connection, you will be ready to start using your home charger. Congratulations, you have successfully registered your ChargePoint home charger. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.